Meet the most powerful AI platform ever assembled, Superhero AI. A single dashboard, a full army of intelligent tools at your command. No learning curve, no waiting. Inside, you're not just getting access to AI, you're unlocking your very own digital command center. Equipped with tools for writing, designing, speaking, coding, and automating everything in your online business. From high-converting content to 4K AI visuals, from cinematic voiceovers to entire websites and chatbots built in minutes. Superhero AI is built for creators, entrepreneurs, and digital warriors who demand more. Need help with research, writing, ads, branding, SEO, or scripting? Superhero AI gives you access to over 50 specialized AI assistants, each trained for a specific task, ready to respond instantly. And under the hood, you'll be commanding the most advanced AI models in the world: GPT-4o, GPT Turbo, Gemini 2.0 Flash, Gemini 1.5 Pro, DeepSeek V3, and more being added regularly. Want visuals? Turn plain text into hyper-realistic 4K images with DALL-E 3 HD. No design skills needed, just type, click, and create. Need voiceovers? Just type a few words and generate studio-quality voices in over 50 global languages, including accents and emotions. Want to read a PDF, extract insights from a link, or understand what's inside an image? Just drop it into Superhero AI, and it responds like a genius. And when you're ready to go hands-free, activate the automation reactor, schedule your content, bulk create videos, voiceovers, and social posts. Auto-publish to your platforms. Let AI work in the background while you sleep. This isn't just another AI app. This is Superhero AI, your all-in-one plug-and-play system to write, design, build, sell, and scale faster than ever before. No monthly fees, no overwhelm, no experience required. Just raw AI power at your fingertips, ready when you are. Ready to unlock your superpowers? Click below and activate Superhero AI now.
Hello and welcome to Superhero AI, your all-in-one digital superpower platform. I'm excited to walk you through this powerful dashboard and show you how to get the most out of your tools starting today. When you log in, you'll see your AI panel right here on the left side. This is where the magic happens. Let's take a quick tour of what's inside. AI Writer and Article Wizard effortlessly generate high-quality content, blogs, emails, or sales pages in seconds. Smart Editor and Rewriter instantly polish or rework any content using intelligent AI editing. AI Images create stunning 8K visuals from simple prompts using powerful AI models like DALL-E 3 HD. AI Voiceover generate lifelike, human-sounding voiceovers in 50+ global languages. Voice Cloning clone your voice or your client's brand voice instantly with just a few seconds of audio, powered by 11 labs. AI Chat and Vision chat with documents, images, and files using intelligent multimodal interaction. AI File Chat and Web Chat upload any PDF or plug in a website URL and let the AI extract answers, summarize, or research in real time. AI YouTube generate SEO blog posts, summaries, or insights from YouTube videos. AI Chat Image and AI Code create AI-generated images or write entire tools, script, and websites from simple prompts. Brand Voice train AI to write like you, matching your tone, style, and brand identity automatically. AI Video, Image, and Text-to-Video turn images or simple scripts into cinematic, AI-powered videos using Kling 1.6 Pro and other advanced video engines. Voice Isolator clean your audio, remove background noise, and isolate vocals with pro-level quality. Integrations and Documents sync your favorite tools and keep everything organized under one roof. Important note: you may notice some tools or sections are not available in your current dashboard. That's because certain premium features are part of optional upgrades, like Quantum Pro, Vox Titan, or Strikeforce AI. If you skipped those upgrades during checkout, you can still unlock them from your upgrade hub at superheroai.live/OTOs. Now, to get started, simply click on any tool from the menu. Follow the on-screen prompts and begin creating instantly. Most tools are beginner-friendly and come with built-in guidance. That's it for this quick walkthrough. You now have access to one of the most advanced AI platforms ever built. Your superpower is now in your hands. Explore, create, scale, and I'll see you inside the dashboard.